What role do you think judges have or should have in educating the public on special legal issues?
The judges in our state and across the United States, we do not write laws. We just enforce the laws that are written by state legislatures. So unless it's an appellate court interpreting a law, or the Supreme Court interpreting the law and the constitutional aspect of that law, a judge in the municipal court would take no position in interpreting law. I would just apply the law as written.
One of the things that you mentioned though here is just this horrible drug issue that we have here in this county, and it's not just Ashtabula County, it's the state, it's the nation, and it's an area that you said, hey, we need to put a focus here on this, from which to combat this issue. What role do you think, or if any, does the judiciary have in letting the populace know, or trying to get into a position? This is a major catastrophe that we have to have resources positioned at. Because in effect you're doing that in creating the policies, but is there more that the judiciary should be doing from the education side of things to prevent these, this terrible, drug dependence that many of our citizens have come under?
My role as judge of the municipal court is to start a system that I will use evidence-based practices that will cut down the recidivism in this community. I count on the County Mental Health and Recovery Services Board, of which I'm proudly the president, to offer the type of preventive services in this county to provide more education as to the nature of the disease and how we can prevent it. I see my immediate role is to help recidivism and get people out of the system. People can be educated. That's actually, that would be ideal, but I see a definite role of handling those specific cases that come before me in the court.